Now all you have to do is click the link, search for YouTube, and click share, and boom, you have earned some money. Now how simple would that be? In this video we're going to be showing you how you can make money sharing YouTube videos and start making money, and it's going to be very actionable steps. I'm going to show you everything step by step, so I want you guys to follow everything I'm saying and don't skip anything in this video. It's gonna be entertaining video. It's not gonna be long video. It's gonna be very short and straight to the point. And without further ado, we're gonna be starting the video right now. And before we even start, make sure to subscribe and turn the notification on so you get notified whenever I release a new video. And also make sure to click the link in my bio if you're looking to make full-time income online. And that's how I started making money online. And without further ado, we're gonna be starting the video. And before I even show you the website, this is the website we're gonna be talking about, and it's pretty much simple. All right. It has generated over 3.3 million clicks, and already total links were 4 million links, and there's already 300,000 people in this website. And you are going to be getting paid through PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and you can also get bank transfer. And that's how simple it is. And all you have to do is just click, and people will literally click, and then you are going to be getting paid. So this is very simple stuff. Now I'm going to show you the payouts rates for this, which is you're going to be getting paid $5, and from Australia and United States $4, United Kingdom $4, Denmark $4, Germany $4, Canada $3, and so on. And this is going to be how simple it is. And the minimum payout for this is going to be $5, and payment frequency is going to be daily, so you're going to be getting paid daily. And payment method are like mentioned below: Bitcoin, PayPal, Skrill, and payout rates negotiable for sites with substantial traffic, which means if you are sending traffic from YouTube, basically you are going to be getting paid more. Now what we're going to be doing is, I've did some research and I know that Mr. Beast gets tons of views, and me and you, we all know that this guy gave away so much money and he's getting tons of traffic. For every video he released, it gets minimum 20 million views. Now here's what we're going to be doing. All right, I have created a PDF file, or basically a template. All right, now this is the template that you're going to be using. All right, now everything will be very straight to the point, and we're going to be explaining everything in details. Now as you can see, these are the videos. All right, what we're going to be doing is Mr. Beast, and then we're gonna click on his channel, and then we are gonna be going into the highest views. The reason why we are gonna be doing it's gonna be very you're gonna understand why. And we're gonna be choosing 3 videos. These are the 3 videos we're gonna be choosing. As you can see, these are the videos that he paid out the most of the money, and we are gonna be literally, here's what we're gonna do: share. We're gonna click share. Once we click share, this is the link that we need to use. And for that, we're going to be coming to the website. This is the website. It's called OK.io. OKE.io. This is the website that you need to go into. And you're going to be clicking sign up very simply. And you're going to be literally adding your username, and then you're going to be adding your password into this website. Now, once we add, once we add and create our accounts, we are going to be coming to the website. And since we have the username, or basically the shared link, we're going to be pasting that in here. Remember, we have shared the video, this video, and we clicked shared, and we're going to come in here, and then we're going to shorten that link. Now we have a link. What we're going to be doing is we're going to go back to the template, and we're going to paste that in here. I'm going to leave this link into my YouTube description, and from there you're going to get that. And also we're going to be sharing the other video. This is the second video, and we're going to be coming back again in here, and then we're going to share that video again. All right, since we shared it, and then we're going to be literally taking that video, and then we're going to come to the templates again, and we are going to be pasting that also here. All right, and this is the third video, which is the last video. We're going to come back. We're going to come back to the website. We're going to add it here, and we are going to be literally pasting that, and we're going to be taking the shortened link here. And so far we have 3 links, and we are good to go. Now as you can see, here's the template. It basically says, if for some reason I forgot to add this in the description of the YouTube video, make sure to paste stop the video and then make it the template from there as well. Okay, or just remember, and I'm gonna add it into my comments. So basically here's my top, this is what it says, here's my top 3 videos of Mr. Beast videos. Mr. Beast has given away over 1 million, which makes him the biggest YouTuber who gave away money. I have made a research and found out these videos for you guys. All you have to do is click the links and it will take you to the YouTube video. All right, these are the YouTube videos. And now what are you gonna be doing to earn money is basically gonna come to this website called findforum.net. all right, and then we can come to the categories. All right, as you can see, this has so much category, and you're going to be choosing depends on what are you going to be basically what kind of people you want. For example, we are into the entertainment and basically celebrity. So we're gonna come in here, and then we are gonna be go to the celebrity from here. All right, and you can see these are the 3: Internet Explorer, cannot, and then fan. So you as you can see, also there's 300 topics and 72,000 posts. We're gonna visit the forum. Once we visit the forum, we are gonna be literally going to create an account in here as well. Once we create that, we are going to be posting. All right, pretty simple stuff. All right. And as you can see, these are the forums that we found out, and you can go ahead and it will take you to the forums. So these are the 2 forums. All you have to do is sign up and pretty much start posting. This is how all you have to do, to be honest with you guys. And one more thing is also, when you come into categories, you can go literally choose another people. All right, it doesn't has to be celebrities. It has to be like, you're gonna come in here and then you're gonna go to the gaming, basically, because people who are into the gaming, they know Mr. Beast. All right, everyone basically know him. You're gonna come into gaming as well, and then you're gonna start posting into this, because it has more, basically it has more more people are gonna be involved in these. All right, you go ahead and join all of these, and then once you join, start posting and use the script that I gave it to you guys, and you are good to go from there. Now I hope you guys like this video. Make sure if you guys enjoyed this video to subscribe and turn the notification on, and also make sure if you guys are looking to start making money online, full-time income online. Basically this is how I started making money online, is by following a mentor, which is my mentor, Dave Charby. So the link will be in my description. Once you click there, it will open your eyes and you understand how you can start making money online. Pretty simple stuff. And so go ahead and click that link. Also, if you guys are looking to get my free training, which is 100% free, no need you to pay any money, all right, the link for that is in my description. Also, if you guys are looking, I have a consultation which is not free, but if you guys want to consult with me, that link will be also in the description. Hope you guys like this video, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.